Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot open any websites on your browser in OPPO Reno 10. And to do this, let's try to open our browser, and we're gonna go for Google Chrome. And here, if you try to refresh or go to different website, you'll get this error. And to fix this, you'll need to open your settings, then find additional settings at the bottom and enter date and time. Here, set time automatically, and now we can go back to the browser, refresh a page or open a new website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.